free apps. Sound tempting, right? You see a premium app APK, download it with few clicks and get it installed on your device. Most of the people will definitely go in with it, right? But what if I tell you that this one free premium app APK can actually harm your device, steal your data, or even cost you more than what an actual subscription of that particular app would have cost? So in this video, this side Shubham here, you're watching UnZip Tech, and let's talk about how exactly this free premium APK harms your devices or even loses the security of your data. So without wasting any further time, let's talk about it. So I have divided all these things into 4 major security flaws. The first one is the security risks that it comes up with. Now, have you ever wondered why this premium app APKs, the crack developers are trying to provide you for free? So let me tell you, the main reason behind this will definitely be stealing your data or even your privacy in some cases, because most of the apps like this contains malware or either a spyware which try to take your data or spy you. It can even steal your banking information, your password, your photos, or something which is way much important to you. This kind of app do not have an official store also, and not even an app store protection. So if you download this app, you risk all of your security just for that so-called free thing you're getting over here. Now the point number 2 is the privacy risk. Now when you install this app, you will see some notification coming up like accept this condition, accept that condition. They need your microphone access, they need your location access, or even in some cases they need your camera access. But have you ever thought, why does a calculator app would need your mic access? I have even made a short video on this where I try to make people more better when it comes to cybersecurity. You can watch that as well. I have already explained how it works. You will be able to see the link in the I button. You can check that out. So let's stick to the topic. Over here, when we talk about giving this permission, you're just giving all the access for that app. Now, anytime they can open up your camera, it will keep on running in the background. You don't even know when they're trying to spy you. And if you're thinking what they will get by just looking at you or your photos. Now, this kind of information, they can even sell it on dark web and get a huge amount of money, or they can also use it for identity theft. They can pretend being you somewhere else on the social media, or even use for any security breach. Now let's talk about the third point, that is the device risk. So once you install the app, you will see that your mobile starts behaving somewhat different. It will either get a virus inside it, or in some even extreme cases, you will see the phone also getting break because of this. By getting break, I mean the phone is no more useful, like the software itself gets erased automatically. This kind of stuff also happens if you would have heard about the custom ROM installation. So that same kind of scenario happens over here when you install this app. In this case itself, you will also see that they might also have some adware. You would have seen some ad popping up and automatically redirecting you to the Play Store or the App Store in case of iOS, and asking you to install that app forcefully, which will further bring more virus into your device. I know some apps are genuine, which provides the features and they just show you the ads. I'm not talking about those apps. They'll just display the ad, that's it. But they'll also give you the option to close. But this spyware kind of apps will also ask you to do this adware kind of thing. Means they will ask you to compulsory install that app, then only you can go further inside this app. So this is called as adware. And majorly this kind of APKs will not have any future bug solving things, or they'll not have any future updates. So now you're just keeping that crack APK on your device, and now the hacker will know they can easily enter using this application, because they are just built by a single developer or 5 to 10 people getting together and trying to build this crack. So easily there will be so many flaws using which a hacker can enter into your device very easily. The point number 4 is ethical and legal issues. Now you already might be knowing that this kind of apps are already illegal in most of the countries, right? Because this kind of app actually harms the developer who is genuinely creating something which is for the need of the people. So the major developers who are actually working to solve these problems are suffering because of this cracked APK, which has been easily sold for free. Instead of getting the subscription, people turn down to get the cracked APKs. And that can also be a reason why this premiumness thing is getting more costlier. And since the users are less, they cannot sustain in the market and they will keep on increasing the rates. And at the end, the people who are genuinely buying the application's membership are suffering with the developers as well. Let's talk about the conclusion. So next time when you try to download any free APK, just think about it again. Remember the point that I mentioned, that you are risking your security, your privacy, your device at a risk, and also in some cases your data, which will be getting stolen by the hacker. That also just for a few bucks. It is always preferred that you should go with a proper official store or at least a trusted alternatives, because your data is more worth than a free app, right? So that was all about this video. If you found this video to be helpful for you, do hit the like button and share this video with your friend who likes the free APKs. And yeah, don't forget to click the subscribe button with the bell icon so that you get this kind of technical stuff in your YouTube feed. So stay safe, stay secure. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.